Hey guys, I'm gonna try and pull this stump out here. I got the bumper jack hooked through it with this little J hook I made, and I got the winch stopping this jack from tipping over. And then the pigs loosened everything up here enough, hopefully. It just broke there a little bit. So that is lifting there, so I'm just letting the water get in under it and breaking the suction kind of thing. You can see it's coming up there, and like I say, the biggest thing is just let the air and the water and that get under it, and there's no suction. You can see over there, Jen, see all the water pouring under. This tree probably was about the size of that one, not quite the size of that one, but close. Been down for a long time, but you couldn't tell the stump was there until the pigs cleared off the ground. Alright guys, we're just getting it rigged up again on this other side, and hopefully she's going to come out. It's all kind of turned to cement, but if I would have did it the day the pigs were moved, I think it would have popped right out. She's in there. grab me the machete. Oh yeah, a little more than I thought it was going to be, but it'd be any fun if it was easy, I guess. Yeah, that's the biggest stump I think I got to deal with in here. There might be. I think that was it, to be honest. I'll run the I-beam over this a few times now just to flatten it off, and it should be pretty good. I'm gonna move the pigs from here over to these two big humps. Next, probably I'll move the whole pen. Have it on this hump once, and then I'll move it to that hump there, and that should be all leveled out. How long were they in here? 2 days? Just yesterday and today? A week since we moved them? 2 days, yeah. And you can see in there, she's stirred up. Yeah, pretty good stump to move with a bike. The tire trick works good. The jack works really good, but I bent everything to fuck. The jack's a ticket once you got it working good. Just where I straightened out that J hook. J hook was just something I made. It was a U-bolt off a truck. Yeah. Fucking full of shit. Yeah, that's it, guys. I guess we'll catch you in the next one.